Hi there, I'm Danielle Hodges from Follow the Leader Dog Training, and I'm here with little Gerald the Pom, who is so cute, he's breaking my heart. And today we're going to be talking about door barking. They hear the door and they yap, 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 and it's a really, really difficult thing to deal with. Dogs like Gerald bark for a variety of reasons, from frustration to alarm barking, which is when somebody comes, to aggression. There are a whole bunch of different reasons why a dog might bark. You want to teach your dog that when the doorbell rings, really good things happen. When it comes to preventing door barking, as with all other behaviors, your best bet is to start when they're still a puppy, because once they get this behavior reinforced and rehearsed, it becomes a lot harder to break. With dogs like Gerald, who's a Pom, it's built into his DNA. So when you begin working on preventing door barking, your best bet is to just grab a whole bunch of treats, maybe 10 or 15 treats, and choose a random time to work on this. You're sitting watching your TV, having a relaxing time, and you decide now's the time I want to practice. You would just take a bunch of treats in your hand and you just knock and give a treat. Okay, that's simple. If you do this consistently, there you go, buddy. All you're doing is pairing the sound of the knocking with something that he likes. Over time, Gerald goes, "Oh, I hope I hear a knock." And as soon as he does hear a knock, what do you think is likely to happen? He's going to run over to me because he knows that's where the treats are coming from. So the knock, in essence, becomes a cue to run over to me to look for treats. Good boy. So that instead of being a really stressful, sort of hyped up, amped up experience, now it's a really relaxed experience, and if anything, a happy experience. So your dog knows to come to you instead of running for the door. Easy peasy, right, Gerald? Okay, that's it. Try this with your little pup at home. Subscribe to CBC Life for more dog training tips, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, let's go, buddy. I know, that was a lot of work. Come on.